Good day, guys. Good day, guys. Today, I just want to teach you something amazing and something very valuable that you can use and start to improve your life in trading. So, when you're a trader, please focus on a setup and risk management. So, if your setup in a week can come 5 times, which means you're gonna make a lot of money. If maybe one day your setup doesn't go well, maybe it appeared 4 times a week, but at least if your setup can come 5 times a week, just check on how you trade and check on which setup you use to make money in the market. You understand? So I'm gonna just show you with the random strategy that we use. Then I just want to show you if you are gonna use risk management on trading according to methods or setups. This can bring good growth in your trading career. So today we're gonna talk about risk management and trading method. These two things are very important, especially if you're growing a small account or even if you're growing a big account. These two things can make you consistent like crazy in the market. So for example, I just want to start from Monday. Let's see. This is Sunday. I want to start from Monday. I'm gonna identify setups. Then after identifying setups, I'm gonna put risk management, so that you see on how much you can grow in a week. Trading setups and using risk management on those setups. For example, if we have this on Monday, let me see. Most of the time, me if I'm trading this, I know that I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna sell up until I'm gonna sell from here up until there. That's how I use my setups. So for example, if I used this setup here, damn, I just enter my entry here. I enter my entry here, then my entry there, then my sell stop somewhere above the market structure. Then I know by a certain time I target only this. I target only this. So which means this will be my entry and this will be my sell stop and this will be my take profit. By it will be 340. By 340 I'll be taking my profit. By 1 o'clock, from 12 to 1 o'clock, I'll be entering my trades. Then I take my profit there. So this is the first setup. It was check. It was Monday. Then let's go on the Tuesday. On the Tuesday, let's check the setup. Okay, another setup. Okay, another setup. So which means my entry will be here and my sell stop will be away from the market structure. Then my take profit will be somewhere there. So which means from there, my entry here, then my take profit there. My take profit somewhere here. So the setup was successful on Tuesday. Let's check another setup. Okay, another setup here. Another setup here. Okay, then this will be my entry. This will be my entry, and this will be my take profit according to time. Then this will be my sell stop. As you can see, my sell stop will be somewhere there, which means from there up until here I take my profit. This will be Wednesday. Let's check another setup. Yes, this will be my entry. This will be my entry here. Then away from the market structure, which is somewhere here, then which this will be my take profit. Let me see my take profit, my take profit, my take profit. My take profit will be here. This will be Thursday. Then on the Friday, which is the last day, the money that I made on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then I'm gonna risk all that profit on Friday. So Friday is either it's a payday or no payday. Then if I fail to make money, then I'm gonna repeat again with the risk management on Monday, another Monday up until Thursday. But let's see what happened in the market. This was my entry. This was my entry here. This was my sell stop, and that would be my take profit somewhere there. So we don't hold longs. We just hold setups and timing. So you see, from there to there, then which means the profit that if I risk the profit, my sell stop will be the profit of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Then if it goes as it went very well, you see, my profit was very big. So make sure you trade setup and use risk management and have good timing in the market. So the PDF that I'm selling, which is 200 Rand, will show you everything and will give you the strategy that we're using. It's either on GBP USD and gold. Will give you the strategy so that you can be able to make money. Remember, if you use timing, setup, and risk management, you can be a consistent trader. So make sure that if you're interested, my number is on my bio. Inbox, get the gold and GBP USD PDF is only 200 Rand so that you can be consistent in the market.